So let's say that I want to embed an HTML code over here onto the Wix ADI site. So for that, you have to first get the embed code right over here. So I'm going to utilize my YouTube channel right over here as an example right over here. So I'm just going to go over here onto the Cinema 4D tutorial lesson right over here. And then I'm going to go to the share section where I'm able to get the embed code right over here. So this is an iframe code and this is the embed code right over here, as you can see. So I can just copy this out over here and close this. So over here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a new section right over here. And on the left side, you see that there's HTML embed option. So I'm just going to select the first option right over here. So once you bring that in, what happens is that there's a section, as you can see, and there's the embed section right over here. So I can click on HTML, and over here, this is where I add in the HTML code. It says paste your code, that is HTML code right over here. So paste this out right over here, and then it'll be embedded right over here. And you can see that my lesson for Cinema 4D actually loaded right over here, just like that. So that is what HTML embedding does. So you can work around with the buttons, paragraphs, title and subtitle right over here. You can change it out. So something like sample video, I can say something like this, and there's the embed. You can also go to section design right over here and choose out different layout right over here. For example, you can keep the embed code on the right hand side just like that. So you don't need to change any of the code. You can go over here and let's say, for example, you want it on the bottom. So you got the embed code at the bottom and on the top right over here, as you can see. And this is how you can embed HTML code inside of your section inside of Wix. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.